Hello, this is Billy Java. I'm here on the most Target FM, and there is a new crossing that seems to be coming out. And you know that this is Whitehead, and it seems like that it's going to be due for an upgrade very, very soon. Yeah, it's nice. So this is going to be just like meeting Huxley, yeah, myself. It's still joking. Yeah, the lounge right here too. Yeah, so this crossing right here is due for an upgrade, but it's not out just yet. Search engine. So it looks like this is no longer an MSL now.
What?
Looks like it's no longer an MSL now. Now it's an MCB footpath. Just like meeting House Lane.
Alright.
Looks like it's a very nice upgraded too.
It is. Yeah.
So it looks like, and it's with Yodels too.
See, it's well used. And
Yeah.
people have it to the other side. You never not using trains.
I think they're still using bridges. Just the footbridge is way over there. Just.
You have to go over the bridge.
See.
You're in the wrong colour, mate.
What's that?
More blue.
Alright. Just crossing over to the footbridge and go to your side just. Nice seeing the man include. Footbridge is a bit dodgy. Oh, yeah. Just one day 45 so there is. heart's beeping since I'm just running so much. So just make me do a little bit of exercise. Suppose easy for right there. Oh, there's a train up there. G10. See, it's just all blocked off. See what there's a yield alarm in there. And there's a another one right there. It's a nice way to upgrade this crossing right here. I don't understand why is the bar backwards? I don't know. I'll just go back to your side. There's nobody even on that train. There goes for J10. J10 to Griffith Street. That'll be for you 1545. No, 1445. Northern Island Road service from Northern Harbour to Griffith Street. Yeah, so as you can see, Whitehead seems to be due for an upgrade version. No longer an MSL, but now it's going to be an MCBCC G5. So there's two crossings that are for the MCB, which are Meeting House Lane and Whitehead. It's a shame that the MSL's not going to be here. Oh well, there is videos of it still, so I'm not really sorry about that. No, it's time to go back to my G-Dad, back over the footbridge. She's in like I'm the first one to get this upgrade over here. But I'm so excited for this to come out. At least it's, well, I'll not say. Well, instead of putting each of us on, they put yodels. I bet there'll be screamers like really loud. Oh, that's fine. I heard one of my granny sisters, that's called Janet, that lives around here. Well, I probably should never mention that name. Like, they said that there'll be like a foot crossing for an upgrade, I think they said. Oh dear, that's loose. This river just getting unhealthy. Where's it going? My heart's beeping. Wow, I'm just like having a heart attack. Nah, not really. I'm not really having a heart attack. I'm just trying to get some exercise. I was already there already. But it's in spring, like bees and wasps will be coming out soon. But it will take a while for them. I just don't really like bees or wasps. There's 164. Right there. So I might come here soon. Whenever this go upgrade is, it may take a few months, like, but it's fine. Whitehead, EXPD, 1505 and 1500. Also, I would like to wish you St. Patrick's Day as well. Say St. Patrick's Day, and I'd like to wish you St. Patrick's Day. Offline gallery.